The IRS has announced that it will begin accepting applications for the new tax credit starting in 2025. Introduction: The IRS has long been a source of confusion for many Americans, particularly when it comes to claiming deductions for their pets. However, with the introduction of new tax credits in 2025, pet owners may soon find themselves with more opportunities to offset the cost of caring for their beloved animals. What qualifies as a service or emotional support animal? To qualify for the new tax credit, your animal must provide a specific type of assistance. This can include medical conditions. If your animal assists you with a medical condition, such as diabetes, epilepsy, or mental health issues, you may be eligible for the tax credit. Mobility issues. If your animal provides physical support or assistance with mobility, such as a guide dog or wheelchair companion, you may also be eligible. Severe allergies. If your animal helps alleviate severe allergies, you may qualify for the tax credit. If you're unsure about your pet's eligibility, consult a tax professional or the IRS. Pet expenses and tax deductions. Understanding the basics when it comes to tax deductions, pet expenses can be a bit tricky to navigate. However, if your pet provides a business service, their expenses may be tax deductible. Moving for work? You may be able to deduct pet moving expenses if you meet the IRS criteria. Pet moving expenses. A guide to deducting costs. Understanding the IRS criteria. The IRS allows pet owners to deduct the cost of transporting their pets when relocating for work. However, there are specific requirements that must be met to qualify for this deduction. The new workplace must be at least 50 miles farther from the old home. The move must be for a job or business reason. The pet must be relocated with the owner. Qualifying for the deduction. To qualify for the deduction, the move must meet the IRS criteria. Calculating the deduction. If your move meets the IRS criteria, you can calculate the deduction by determining the distance between the old and new homes. Calculating the cost of transportation. Keeping accurate records is crucial for tax purposes and to ensure your pet is not overcharged for services. Make sure to keep receipts for all expenses, including food, veterinary care, and supplies. Keeping accurate records will help you to track your pet's expenses over time. Identify areas where you can cut costs. Keep accurate records of your pet's vaccinations and medical history. Ensure your pet is up to date on all necessary vaccinations and medical care. Provide proof of your pet's medical history in case of an emergency. Use accurate records to support your pet's role in your business or tax deductions. The importance of keeping accurate records for pet owners. As a pet owner, you may not think that keeping accurate records is crucial, but it is essential for tax purposes and to ensure your pet is not overcharged for services. In this article, we will discuss the importance of keeping accurate records for pet owners and provide tips on how to do so. Why keeping accurate records is important. Keeping accurate records is essential for pet owners for several reasons. Tax purposes. Keeping accurate records of your pet's expenses, vaccinations, and medical history can help you claim deductions on your tax return. Ensuring accurate billing. Keeping accurate records of your pet's services and expenses can help prevent overcharging and ensure that you are not paying more than you should.